Hello everyone, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and this week's video we are going to talk about Paul Mitchell's Color Repair Triple Rescue, and I want to explain, we're going to do a little treatment here, so bear with me, but Paul Mitchell's Triple Rescue, the three things that it does, why they say triple, is it is a thermal styling protectant, so like your cheat oil, you're going to spray it on your hair and distribute it evenly before we blow dry or flat iron our hair every day. And number two, it is keratin based, so it is moisturizing and will add the oil, in the form of oil, the moisture to your hair. And number three, it's going to protect your color. It does not fade or dry out your hair if you color your hair. Now, I've already combed through my hair. We've brushed through your hair. And ladies, and just in case you don't know, to get out tangles, I have very naturally curly hair and it stays tangled all the time. Start from the bottom and work your way up. It makes it so much faster, easier, and less hair breakage. So after we've brushed our hair through, now this is oil-based, so it says right on the directions to shake it up. Okay, and it is a pump. And we are going to, I always start on the ends and then work back so the ends get a little bit extra. And I split my hair and kind of work it through the fingers. Okay, this side, we're going to spray it on the ends, and if you do have split ends, it will absorb rather quickly anywhere you have split ends. And in case you color your hair, the ends are always going to grab more, and the new growth, the part of it that is not colored, takes forever. And ladies, I'm sure if you color your hair, you know that gray hair is very resistant, and I wish they would come up with a better formula for that. Okay, now just here on the top, I just give it a good once over because it's not as damaged. And like I've said in the blog post this week, so if you guys do want to read the blog post, this week is about the 10 summer essentials. But last week we talked about ways to protect and help dry, damaged summer beach hair. So be sure and check that out on the website at kimsbeautybiz.com. And in case you ever want to know, follow the pink buttons. They'll tell you where to go. All right. So now I'm going to leave this. I'm not going to blow dry my hair today. I've got a few errands to run. But this is a leave-in product. You do not rinse it out. Just like the cheat oil, you leave it in and it will protect your hair through the blow drying and flat ironing process. And you guys do have to check it out. Of course, Paul Mitchell products are at any Paul Mitchell salon or beauty school, but Ulta also has them, and it's a fraction of the price that it's going to cost you at Paul Mitchell Beauty School. Anyway, you ladies have a wonderful day. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. Stay tuned. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.